Hi, I hope you're hungry because we're making butter chicken pizza. This pizza is buttery, cheesy, and delicious. Here's a look at the ingredients. For the detailed recipe, you can visit the link in the description. You will need to make the butter chicken prior to making the pizza base. Click here for the recipe. Add the yeast and sugar to the lukewarm water in a cup. Give it a stir and allow it to sit for 15 minutes till it becomes nice and frothy. Add this proved yeast solution to a bowl containing the flour and salt. Also add olive oil. Stir with a wooden spoon until the dough holds together. And then continue to knead with hands until you get a smooth and elastic dough. Rub the surface with a little bit of olive oil and seal the bowl with cling wrap and place in a warm or sunny area for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough should have doubled in size like this. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C. Punch down and divide the dough into 2 portions. Grease 2 medium-sized pizza pans with olive oil. Sprinkle with flour and semolina. Place a ball of dough on each of the pans. Spread with hands to stretch and fit into the pizza pans, paying particular attention to the edges. Try to make the base as even as possible. Allow to rest for 10 to 15 minutes again. The base will have risen a little bit. Make sharp cuts over the surface with a fork or knife. Brush lightly with melted butter. Add the butter chicken topping. You might have a very small quantity of the butter chicken left. You can use this later. Serve with roti. Sprinkle some diced onion and coriander leaves over the top. And top with the grated cheese. I'm using a combination of mozzarella and cheddar. Place into preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Crust should be golden and cheese should be melted. As oven temperatures and sizes may vary, adjust accordingly. For a truly deli-style pizza, serve with some extra diced onions. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know what you thought.